Here to
This
work
free
through the
step-by-step
fender well
video
on some
comes to you
models.
directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or
Raise
truck the
the
right
right
way
front of the
with our
vehicle
accurate and reliable
support it
information
securely
at
on
your
jack
side.
stands and
You can
remove the
complete
wheel.
more than 200 jobs
Then
on this
remove the
vehicle
inner
when you
fender
purchase the
splash shield.
complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plugs replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. The right cylinder bank spark plugs can be accessed from above, but it's easier to work through the fender well on some models. Raise the right front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands and remove the wheel. Then remove the inner fender splash shield. Remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Pull only on the boot at the end of the wire. Do not pull on the wire. A plug wire removal tool should be used if available. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until it can no longer be turned with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Install the spark plug wire securely onto the plug. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs on the right cylinder bank. If removed, install the inner fender splash shield, wheel, and lug nuts. Then lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Repeat the procedure and replace the plugs on the left cylinder bank. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable bolt securely. Easier to work through the fender well on some models. Raise the right front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands and remove the wheel. Then remove the inner fender splash shield.